I was afraid to speak English. That's why I started this channel. Hello everyone. Today is day 37 of my 60-day English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to share with you why I started this channel. Before I started before I started this channel, I was afraid to speak English. Even though I am not able to speak one sentence, and I am able to understand what are the people's saying in English little bit, and sometimes I understand English while listening at least 50 to 60%, but still I think why I am able to understand but not able to speak. This question comes in my mind, and I try to find out why these things are happening with me. Then, then I realized that only listening English is not good for speaking. And if you want to speak English, then you have to speak English. And my friend also told me, you are understanding English, but you are not able to speak in English. So you have to practice for English speaking so that you can speak in English. Then I thought I have to do practice in speaking English. That's why I sometimes make my plans for taking challenge and completing my practice, but it's doesn't work because every time I say that I will speak from tomorrow, I will speak from tomorrow. Like this, I am doing my practice delay and delay. And one real point is this channel I started before New Year. Like I want to start my channel at 1st January, but due to procrastination and delaying my works, I am not able to start this channel. But still, I have to anyhow learn to how to speak in English. That's why one day I think if I today not started my journey, then tomorrow is never coming. That's why that day I take my challenge very seriously, and I make a YouTube channel for this so that I am consistent in practicing English. Because if I take a challenge and that challenge is only for me and no one is known about my challenge, then might be I leave my challenge in between. That's why I think I have to do some extra such thing so that I am not able to skip my English practice. That's why I started my YouTube channel for my learning English, and you can see this. I take a challenge for 30 days, and after that completed 30 days channel, I continue my journey towards 60 days. Now my 30-day channel becomes 60 days challenge, and today is day 37 day. And when I also I created this channel for share my thoughts, share my learning experience, how I learning English speaking, so that if someone wants to speak in English, and if com- if he or she might see my video, then they may get some confidence. If I am not able to speak in English, but still I am speaking, then might be they are also trying to speak in English. That is a benefit for this channel and benefits for me. Like if anyone get started to practice doing practice with my videos, then I am very proudful on myself because anyone get benefited from my video. That's why I think I have to start my journey on YouTube so that everyone can see and how I am practicing, how I am improving myself day by day, and how to learn English. So the final thing is I started my channel because of my learning process, and when I learn everything in English, then I will make a video to how to learn English in a easy way. That's why I started my channel. And one point is also I was afraid that if I take up challenge only for me and I am not able to complete, then it doesn't work. That's why I started my channel. Now comes the part for word of the day, which I have learned today. So for today, the word is effort. The meaning of effort is trying something hard to do. And the second word is progress. The meaning of progress is improving over time. So these two words I learned today, and thank you for watching me. See you guys in next video. Thank you.